I am a call machine, a programmed intelligent queue, and a bot.
I am a city hunter, clocking my steps each day, between office towers and dinner meetings.
I am a digital enchanter, patching and perfecting in the world of spreadsheets and reports.
I am a filter wizard, using Photoshop magic to give products an extra boost.
I am the energy station manager, doubling as an equipment fixer and network engineer.
I am a future explorer, constantly balancing trial and error with budget limits.
I'm a data DJ, a fortune teller by numbers. A devoted believer in KP is.
I am a brand architect, laying bricks one by one to build strong walls.
I am a guardian, delivering heartfelt service, easing concerns, and passing on warmth, protecting every ounce of trust in the brand.
I am a sales champion, driving orders forward, conquering markets, and sounding the anthem of victory.
I am the financial steward, keeping the books reliable, balancing income and expenses, and safeguarding the company's assets.
I am a creative master, crafting eye-catching work, shaping every line to achieve visual excellence.
I am the chief coordinator, attentive in service, meticulous in every detail, ensuring the team moves forward smoothly.
I am a pioneer, researching and sourcing to strengthen the foundation for growth.
I am the strategist at the helm, making data work at full speed, optimizing plans and accelerating business performance.
I am the spokesperson, amplifying our reputation, telling the brand story well, and making our voice heard.
We are dream chasers,
United in vision,
Driven by action.
Standing shoulder to shoulder as a team.
Professionally strong,
Mission accomplished, no matter what.